Check out this Roborock Max Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this is essentially a Roomba-esque type thing, but you can vacuum and mop at the exact same time. It goes across the floor and does that underneath. If we lift it up and see what is happening underneath, there you go. It is essentially, just a robot vacuum that will get all of the dust off of the floor, and it really just helps to have this around the house. You can place it in a corner of the room and have it go out and about, while you're doing work. You don't have to watch it or anything. You just have to make sure it doesn't fall down some stairs. But essentially, it is an amazing product. I highly recommend getting one of these. And it just really is such a great thing to have. It really helps clean your floors and really shines them up with the robot vacuum and mop option that it has. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.